Everyone laughed at him, just because he couldn't speak English. But what he did next will shock you. Ali was a quiet boy. He understood English, but he was afraid to speak. One day the teacher said, "Speak in English. Ali, stand up." He stood up, but no words came out. The class started laughing. That day, he felt very embarrassed. At night, he looked in the mirror and said, "I will learn English. I will not give up." He started small, every day. 5 new words, simple sentences. I am Ali. I can speak English. He made many mistakes, but he never stopped. Day by day, he became better. After some weeks, teacher asked again, "Who can answer?" This time, Ali raised his hand. Ali stood up and spoke clearly. "Sir, I know the answer." No one laughed. Everyone was silent. The boy who was once silent became confident. Moral: don't be afraid of mistakes. That's how you learn. If you want to speak English confidently, start today. Don't wait. Follow for more.